Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the used Homepod is in setup mode. This matters because leftover settings block pairing. Make sure your iPhone or iPad has the latest iOS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi enabled. Sign into the same Apple ID you plan to use. Once done, place the Homepod near your device to ensure a stable Bluetooth handshake and strong Wi-Fi discovery. Distance and account conflicts are the common causes of setup failure, so fix them first. You now open the Home app and tap Add Accessory, or simply hold your iPhone close so the automatic setup prompt appears. This is how the device and Homepod exchange credentials. Follow the on-screen steps. Scan the animation if prompted, assign a room, and opt to transfer your settings. This preserves Wi-Fi and Siri preferences. Make sure to enter your Apple ID password when requested. This authorizes the Homepod on your account and enables HomeKit and personal requests. You finish by confirming the Homepod shows up in the Home app and plays a test sound. This proves audio and network are working. Then check for a software update in Home settings. Updates fix many stability issues, so install them now. If something goes wrong, reset the Homepod and reboot your router, or sign out and back into your Apple ID. These steps clear cached conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: reset the Homepod if it won't pair, because a factory restore removes prior owner locks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.